Hey Amit, how are you doing these days? Where are you headed to? I heard you have a new startup. How is it performing?
Hello Rahul, what a nice surprise. I'm going to Faridabad to talk to a promoter. Where are you going to?
I am headed to Jalandhar to meet a manufacturer. I'm very keen to know about your new startup. Could you share some information regarding it?
Welcome to Force Edu, a place where all business and supply chain enthusiasts come for a weekly dose of knowledge. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, you're missing out on value adding content.
Yes. My startup is still in the development phase and we're trying to automate as many processes as we can.
Automating processes. That sounds really great. How are you doing this? Could you give an example?
Why not? A few days back, we automated the whole supply chain framework of the company and used Oracle SCM software for the same. And needless to say, this was a very rewarding investment for us.
I have heard of Oracle, but don't know much about Oracle SCM. I guess it's a cloud based platform.
Yes, indeed it is. So, as you know, it's hard to change on premises and custom coded applications in the light of fluctuating conditions that consistently takes place in this present times. For an example, a sudden sourcing issue, and here the cloud based applications come to the rescue. The cloud is a natural partner since the cloud based applications are more adaptable and versatile to change.
True. Also, there is one important feature of cloud based solutions. They are innately architected to utilize the technical advances in the best possible manner that are getting unavoidable as part of Industry 4.0.
Yes. Oracle SCM provides both. It offers integration relying upon the task requirements, including integrated or modular setups. Furthermore, it gives you the logistics, integrated demand and supply planning, strategic material sourcing, product innovation, and omni-channel fulfillment lifecycle management support.
That sounds interesting. This product really seems to be one of its kind. Hold on, let me look up more about this myself.
Sure, why not? You may check out what are the benefits that we are getting after implementing the software at our organization.
I am already on it. So, according to what the internet says, you guys are having the most seamless functionality across verticals such as finance, HR, supply chain, and user experience. And you also have a complete picture of the organization's operations and finances at one place because of its integrated nature. Wow, that's huge.
Adding to it, the software helps us to stay up to date with the latest innovations that help the organization to respond and adapt to the changing conditions proactively with latest features such as agile planning and coordinated supply chain execution.
So, you mean to say the software with all its features would help exceed customer expectations through services done right the very first time and provide them with a rewarding experience?
Absolutely. Each and every organization today should implement one integrated SCM application to streamline the value chain operations. It might look to be a very heavy cost investment initially, but in the long run, you would definitely get a high return on investment.
I think it's high time we get an online framework for our supply chain and make some really good investments on getting an integrated one. Could you please share your contact details so that I may get in touch with you later?
Sure, buddy. This is my card. Call me anytime. We'll be happy to resolve your queries. Have a great day ahead.
Thanks, Amit. It was really nice to catch up with you, and thank you for all the information that you shared. It definitely brought in some fresh perspectives. You too, have a nice day.
And you guys out there, thank you for watching this video. To know more about softwares and tools used in supply chain management, stay tuned to our channel Force Edu and watch out for our next video.